Video we are going to understand basics about management. So what is management? According to definition of Coons and O'Donnell, management is the art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized group. Okay, so management is the art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized group, the groups which are being formally organized in order to make the things to be done. According to Drucker, management is doing things right, leadership is doing the right things. So please understand this, management is doing things right and leadership is doing the right thing. Okay, so beautifully Drucker has defined management. According to Mary Parker Follett, she also says that the management is the art of getting things done through others. So management is a coordinated process which ensures all the resources, whether it is human, financial, physical, information, all are being used effectively and efficiently in order to achieve the goal. So now we'll understand what is the concept and nature of management. So management is the process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling the efforts of organizational member and use of all the resources to achieve the goals effectively and efficiently. So these are the key features. It is a process and it is not a one-time act. It is a process. It needs people. Okay, and it aims on efficiency, that is doing the things right, and effectivity, that is doing the right things, and it is both science and art, and it's universal and it applies to all organizations. So these are the characteristic of management. It is goal oriented, it is integrative, it means it integrates people, process and resources, everything it brings together. So that is why it is integrative, continuous process, because we have to keep on doing these functions repeatedly. Multidisciplinary, because management comes from economics, psychology, sociology, statistics, etc. So it is multidisciplinary and it is used in all the other subjects as well. And it is intangible, we cannot see, we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. Dynamic, we need to keep on adapting to the changing environment. What is efficiency? Efficiency is doing right things, like doing things right, like we are trying to focus and use our resources very well, like time, money, people, so that shows efficiency. Finishing the work on time with less cost, so that will all come under efficiency. Effectiveness is doing the right things, focusing on the organizational goal, so that it could help us to make better management by making better decisions. So that is the difference between efficiency and effectivity. Efficiency, doing things right. Effectivity, doing the right things. So these are the importance and scopes. It helps us to achieve our goal efficiently. We can have the optimum utilizations of resources. We can reduce the waste and cost, and we can create a healthy organizational climate, developing leadership and innovation, and promote growth and sustainability.